Hello students, today we are going to learn active and passive voice in past continuous tense. First, we will learn the structure for affirmative sentences in passive voice. First, we have to write down object, then was or were, then being, then third form of the verb, then by, then the subject. Let's understand it through some examples. Look at first one. He was singing a song. He is the subject. Was singing verb. A song object. First we have to write down object, a song, then was, then being, then third form of singing is sung, then by, and he will become here him. Now look at next one. I was writing a letter. I is the subject. Was writing verb. A letter object. So first we have to write down object, a letter. With a letter we will use was, then being, then third form of writing is written, then by, and I will become here me. They were eating apples. They subject, were eating verb, apples object. So first we will write down object, apples. Apple is apples, this is plural. We will use with this verb were, then being, then third form of eating is eaten, then by, and they will become here them. Now we will learn the structure for negative sentences. First, we will write down object, then was or were, then not, then being, then third form of the verb, then by, then the subject. He was not singing a song. He subject, was singing was singing, that is verb, then a song object. First we will write down object, a song, was not, then being, then third form of sing is sung, then by, and he will become here him. Now look at next one. I wasn't writing a letter. I subject, was writing verb, a letter object. So first we will write down object, a letter, was not or wasn't, that is your wish, then being, then third form of writing is written, then by, and I will become here me. Now let's understand the structure for interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, we will write down first was or were, then object, then being, then third form of the verb, then by, then the subject, and at last we have to put down question mark. Let's understand it through some examples. Was he singing a song? Was singing verb, he subject, a song object. So first was, then object, a song, then being, then third form of singing is sung, then by, and he will become here him, and at last question mark. Was I writing a letter? Was writing verb, I subject, a letter object. So first was, then object, a letter, then being, then third form written, then by, and I will become here me, and at last we will put down question mark. Were they eating apples? Were and eating, that is verb, they subject, apples object. First were, then the object apples, then being, then third form of eating is eaten, then by, and they will become here them, and at last we will put down question mark. Students, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.